Want to save 10 plus hours every week with AI automations? In my last video, I shared 7 powerful automations. Today, we're diving deeper into automation number 1, a workflow that can instantly save you hours every single week. Think about it. How often do you receive an email with an attachment, download it manually, rename the file, and then drag it into the right folder? For most professionals, that happens multiple times every single day. It feels small in the moment, but over a week, you can easily lose hours to this repetitive process. That's where Zapier comes in. This automation connects Gmail with Google Drive. Every time you receive a new email with an attachment, Zapier saves that file directly into your drive. No clicks, no downloads, no wasted time. It all happens in the background, automatically. Here's an example. Imagine you're running a small business. Your clients send invoices by email. Instead of saving every invoice one by one, Zapier drops them straight into a dedicated invoices folder in Google Drive. At the end of the week, everything is already sorted and waiting for you. It's like having a personal assistant who never forgets. On average, people spend 15 to 20 minutes a day saving files manually. That may not sound like much, but over the course of a year, you're looking at more than 100 hours wasted. That's over 2 full working weeks gone, just clicking Save As over and over again. This automation gives you that time back. And here's the best part. What I've shown you is just the basic version. There are smarter variations, ways to filter which files get saved, and pro tips that make this workflow even more powerful. But I'll keep those for later, because this is just automation number 1. In my AI automation cheat sheet, you'll find all 7 workflows with step-by-step setups, unique pro tips, pitfalls to avoid, and even an ROI calculator to track your savings in time and money. Download it instantly through the link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss automation number 2.